Dear students, welcome back to my channel. This video for the students of class 3A. I hope all of you keeping very well. In this video session, we are going to start the new chapter, that is division, which is your fifth number chapter. In this video session, we will discuss introduction, exercise 5.1, relationship between dividend, divisor, quotient, remainder, and exercise 5.2. So let's start with an introduction. You know very well, division means repeated subtraction, right? And you already have done in class 2, so I am not repeating the same case, because we are growing gradually, so we have to face new problems. To avoid repeated subtraction, we will do division. So in this case, we will not do subtraction. We will only learn how to divide a number with another number, by another number, right? I want to recapitulate few terms. At first, dividend. Dividend means, the number to be divided, right? Divisor, the number by which we divide, that is called division. Quotient, the answer obtained on division, right? If I divide 52 by 4, right? 4 ones are 4. So 4 ones are 4. Now it will be subtracted, so you will get 1. Now bring down 2, and 4 3s are 12, and after subtraction you will get 0. So here 52 is dividend, 13 is quotient, 4 is divisor. Okay, so you have done these things in the class 2. I'm just recapitulating these terms. Now I'm going to the exercise 5.1, and this will be very easy exercise for you. Now this is exercise 5.1, and I am doing question number 1a. 8 divided by 2, the quotient will be 4. 30 divided by 5, 6. If you know the table, then you can do easily. C number, 4 4s are 16, 3 9s are, or 9 3s are 27. That is E number, 12 divided by 6, you will get 2, 7, 5, 3, right? Now divide on the number line and fill in the blanks. In this question it is given 10 divided by 5. So how to solve? So you want to divide 10 5 times, right? Not 5 times, you want to divide 10 by 5. That means you are where? 10. Now you have to go backward, and where you have to go? You have to go 0, and you have to skip, since you are dividing by 5, so you have to skip 5 numbers or 5 spaces. So you will go at first at 5. Now you will skip another 5 spaces or 5 numbers. Now you are at 0. Then count how many steps you have followed. 2 steps, 1 step and 2 steps. So answer will be 2. Similarly, 14 divided by 2. So you are now in 14, and since you are dividing by 2, so you have to skip 2 numbers. So at first at 12, then 10, then 8. You have to go 0, then 4, then 2, then 0. Now count your steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So your answer will be 7. That means the quotient will be 7. Similarly, this is your home task. You have to solve now 3 numbers. So the following divisions on the number line. So in this case, only few problems you will do, and orally you can solve. 12 divided by 2 is 6, 18 divided by 6 is 3, 18 divided by 3 is 6, 28 divided by 7 is 7. So similarly you can check all the sums. Only 2 or 3 problems you can do on number line, or otherwise you can solve orally, right? Now the next part, concept of remainder. Suppose you have 53 sweets and you want to divide 53 sweets among 10 friends, right? Among 10 friends. Now you tell me, can you divide properly, equally? Division means equal sharing. So if you have 53 sweets and you want to divide 53 sweets among 10 friends, can you divide equally? So let's check. So 10 5s are 50. Oh no, 3 sweets are more, or 3 sweets are left. So you can't divide 53 sweets equally. 3 sweets are left. So these 3, digit 3, this is called remainder. That is the left part. Or which part is left? These 3 sweets are called remainder, and it should be less than your divisor. Since your divisor is 10, then your remainder will be less than divisor, right? Now I want to establish, or I want to tell you, a relationship between dividend, divisor, quotient, and remainder. And you have to know, this is very important relation. The relation is dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. And this is used for checking your division. Suppose I'm taking an example. Since I have taken an example before, 53 divided by 10, that means you have 53 sweets and you want to divide among 10 students or 10 friends. So let's do the division. So 53 is the dividend, 10 is the divisor. 5 tens are 50. I think you know the steps how to divide. Yeah, at first you have to take the first one as a dividend. 5, 5 is less than your division, so you can't divide. So now you have to take 53 as a dividend, and you have to find out by which you multiply by 10 to get nearest to 53. And you have done that. If you multiply 10 by 5, then you can get 50, which is nearest to 53. So I am doing this, and after subtraction you will get 3, right? So now I want to check, is my division right or wrong? Divisor is 10, quotient is 5, and remainder is 3 in this example. And divisor into quotient, and I want to find divisor into quotient, and after getting divisor and after getting multiplication, if I add remainder, what will I do? Divisor means, or what will I get? Divisor means here 10, quotient is 5, remainder is 3. 5 tens are 50, and if you add with 3, then you will get 53. Oh, this is our dividend. So our relation is satisfied, right? So our division is right. So this is the way to check our answer. Okay, now another topic is multiplication fact and division fact. Suppose I'm taking 5 into 7, 5 sevens are 35. So this is the multiplication fact. Right? Now if you divide 35 by 5, you will get 7. Similarly, if you divide 35 by 7, you will get 5. So these are the division facts of this multiplication fact, right? So now let's move on the exercise 5.2. So exercise 5.2, question number 1, it is given, write 2 division facts for each of the following multiplication fact. I am now solving question number A. It is given 2 into 5 equal to 10. So you have to write the division fact. So what is your division fact? If you divide 10 by 5, you will get 2. And similarly, if you divide 10 by 2, you will get 5. So these are the division facts of this question A. Similarly, if I choose question number 8, so 8 3s are 24, it is given. So 24 divided by 8, you will get 3, and 24 divided by 3, you will get 8. So these are the division facts of this age. So similarly, you can check or you can write your division facts, each of the following. So you have to write in your copy, right? Now question number 2. Question number 2, write the multiplication fact since, now I'm solving question number 2a, since 21 divided by 7 it is given and the quotient is 3. Now how to write the multiplication fact? So the multiplication fact is 7 3s are 21. So this is the only multiplication fact of this particular problem. Similarly, if I choose G number, 42 divided by 7 equal to 6. So similarly, if you multiply 7 into 6, you will get 42. So this is the multiplication fact of this problem. So similarly, you can solve by yourself question number 2 also. Now 3 number part, dividend is 30, divisor is 60, so quotient will be 5. That means we have to divide 30 by 6. B number, 56 divided by 8, 7. C, 6. Similarly, D, E, F, you can do very easily. 4 number, find the divisor orally. Since dividend and quotients are given, since in this case dividend and quotients are given and you want to find the divisor, so in this case you have to divide 27 by 9, you will get 3. So 3 is your answer. Similarly, if I take C number, since the dividend is 25 and quotient is given, so in this case 25 will be divided by 5, so you will get the divisor. So here the answer will be 5. If I take K, we will use the same logic. 18 divided by 3, you will get 6. When you are to find the divisor, whether dividend and quotients are given, so in this case to find divisor, so divisor equal to dividend divided by quotient, right? So you have to remember this thing. Similarly, if I solve question number 5, find the dividend, since in each question you have to find dividend but divisor and quotients are given, so you have to remember this thing. For this question number 5, dividend equal to divisor into quotient, right? So in this case divisor is 5 and quotient is 9, so if you multiply you will get the dividend. So 5 9s are 45. Similarly 7 8s are 56, 7 4s are 28, 7 9s are 63. So similarly rest of the part you can check easily. So this is your home task, and please do it by yourself. So that's all for today, students. Next day we will discuss about the division of a 2-digit number by a 1-digit number and by 2-digit number, and we have done, I think we have done in class 2. So similarly we will use, or we will apply the same logic, and we can easily solve this chapter, right? So thank you. See you on the next video.